G'day riders, we're here to talk about our Purpose Built Moto build kits today. So we've been doing this for a while now, and over the years we've developed a few little kits of products that generally a bike will roll into us, and if we're building a custom of any particular genre, we know that these parts are going to go on that project. Now, as with all of our parts, they're not designed to make your bike a carbon copy of anything that we do. We leave the final finish and a bit of imagination up to you. So we give you the raw materials that you need to make your bike your own, which is exactly what custom work is all about. Starting with our fabrication kits, these range from really simple tail tidy upgrades up to complete build kits with mufflers, fender mounts. You have fabrication bungs and a couple of our aluminium fenders in there. These are for guys who've got the grinders and welders in their shed. They just don't want to go out and have to buy these materials in bulk like we have to do and split them up to sell out to individual builders, because to build a front fender, that's all you need. And when you go to a materials supplier, they don't want to sell you that much. So we've got to buy it in really big loads, guys, so we can chop it up, get it all prepped for you and send it out for your individual build. Next are our electrical kits. So these come with a black box, some switches in them, a few lights and bits and pieces if you want them. Also, we just have a black box and switches kit. This is if you're stripping your loom out, you're going to rebuild your custom loom. You can use it with any brand custom lighting if you want, or they pair really well with our Purpose Built Moto lighting range too. That leads me into our lighting kits. So these will include a range of our headlights. So we have a number of different headlights. They pair those up with indicators, brake lights, the splitters that you need to make them work, and our orbit tail lights as well. And then it comes up to the granddaddy of all our kits, the DIY builder's kit. So this comes with a full suite of products. Basically, you roll your bike into the shed, strip all the stuff off it, and replace it with a bunch of purpose-built moto parts, enabling those guys that are real big fans of the shop. They love our gear. They might have used a little bit of it before. They trust the quality of the product. They get a new bike and they just want to go end to end and give their bike that really nice upgrade without going too far with it. So that'll include headlights, indicators, our brake lights, the black box switches, and the fabrication kit as well. So you don't have to go shopping everywhere. You click one button, get the parts sent out to you, and you can just get on the tools straight away. Now, obviously, when you're buying bulk parts, guys, we sweeten the deal a little bit. You get a good amount of discount on these parts rather than buying them individually one at a time. Try to look after you guys where we can there, because we just chuck it all in a big box and it lands in your garage a few days later. If you do have any questions about these products, we have a bunch of reviews on the site. I encourage you guys to go check those out. Don't take our word for how good our products, let our other customers tell you. We've got a heap of install videos. You've obviously landed on this video, so have a click around on our YouTube. You'll see a bunch of info on lighting installs, how to build your fenders, what we do when we're doing this sort of process, wiring your motorcycle, linking up all this sort of stuff. So we really try to enable you guys. We can't handle everyone's custom bikes, as many as we build in here. We want you to have a crack on your own, and that's why we deliver these products in the way that we do. If you do need further information, you can always feel free to reach out to us. Happy to answer any questions you may have, but I'd really encourage you to have a look through the massive amount of information that we have on our website to find your answers first. Thanks for watching, guys. Enjoy your builds. Hopefully you love the products, and we'll see you on the next one.